Hey YouTube, it's John again from FriedCircuit, and I've got another unboxing video for you. Just real quick, I've done a lot of unboxing and haven't really taken a lot of time to do some other stuff. I'm pretty busy, but I've got some projects lined up for you guys. Don't worry, there will be some more meat to the content soon. But let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Today we have the Mac Mini. Now, this is not the brand new Mac Mini. What we have here is the, I believe it's the mid 2011 or late 2011 Mac Mini. It's got an Intel Core i5, Thunderbolt, USB. It's pretty standard fare. I stopped using it a few years ago because it had a spinning hard drive. It just took forever. So just real quick, here's a look at the back of it. You got Ethernet, FireWire, HDMI, Thunderbolt, and 4 USB 2 ports, and a SD card reader, microphone, and there's the air vent back there. And it's got an infrared sensor, but the remote, no one really used it for that. Could have used it for an Apple TV, but we'll get to there. And it also has the original Apple stickers and the user guide that's inside it as well. But let's just put this aside for now, because what I really want to show you is another episode of what's in the bag. And today we have, this is the brand new Mac Mini 2020 model with the M1 chip. It's got 8 cores and video cores. It's all system on a chip, kind of like an iPad. There's a lot of tech specs, so I'll put a description down to this particular one. Now, this one, it just came out today. They were announced about a week ago. It's only got 8 gigs of memory and a 256 gigabyte solid state drive. It's the low end model. But for what I'm going to purpose it with, I think that should do fine. I'm going to do some benchmarking on it, see what we got. One of the kind of the important things about between this and some of the other ones is the accessories that comes with it. So if you were getting that with, if you were just getting a Mac Mini, you should also get a HDMI cable, a high-speed HDMI cable. I also obtained a SD card reader, as well as the Thunderbolt 3 USB-C cable for data transfer. So those are 3 of the things that I'm probably going to need with it, especially using with my setup here. I use the SD cards, like my camera a lot. But let's go ahead and get straight into cracking this bad boy open. We'll put the bag down here to the side. And let's see. Let's see, maybe get you guys a better view. So just put a little bit of a slice on there. Get a real unboxing knife here. I've got one somewhere near around here, but not there. And just pull all this off. Set you to the side, and here we go. There it is, a brand new Mac Mini. It's got a little tab. You can just pull it apart. And what else is in the box is very light documentation and a power cord. One thing to also remember about the Mac Mini is bring your own monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Got plenty of that, so we'll be hooking that up. And slide this across here. And as with these devices, Apple usually has these ports covered. Just slide across there. Now what we have is our power connector, 1000 base T internet Ethernet, only 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, your HDMI port, and 2 USB and a headset import. So as with a lot of Apple devices, everything's kind of, the number of ports are starting to disappear on us. So we're living in more of a wireless world. So that's going to have some conveniences, but I think it also has a few drawbacks because, well, of course, you have to get things like this to get everything connected. So this is today's unboxing video. I'm going to do a follow-up video on this and some other projects that I've been working on. I've just been busy with grad school work and other stuff happening in life right now, so I'm going to continue to try to work towards making some more content and balancing my time with work and life and hobbies and everything else. Just be patient, and I look forward to making more content for you guys in the future. Again, this is just something I'm trying to do for fun in my free time. So again, this is John from FriedCircuit. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm a new YouTuber, so wish me luck and hope you have a great day.